What's up YouTube? I'm Z-Crames. Welcome back to the channel. I assume you clicked on this video because you're probably experiencing the same issue that I am. When your fan's on, it sounds like this. Yeah, not good. Anyway, I'm sure you've been on the forums, and as you know, the price for that part is like $1,200, which is ridiculous. And I'm sure you know by now that the E90 M3 fan specifically is a direct fit. However, in this video, we're going to be testing an alternative fan. We're going to be testing from the F30 models. They still use the N55 fan. So I got a 535 GT fan, if you remember those things. Oh, hideous. I'm going to be installing it and seeing if it works. The part numbers don't match up, but the fan looks identical, and so does the connector. And it's also part of the N55, so I'm thinking that if it does match up, then it's just another win for us in the E9X community, because, I mean, these fans are getting more and more expensive, and the E60 535 fans, as I'm sure you've seen, are up in price because now people are catching on. It can be used for the M3. So the 535 GT fans, the F30 generation fans, or F10, or whatever the 5 series is after F10 generation, those fans are like $40 cheaper. I got mine for $140 shipped. So let's install this thing. So the first thing you want to do after you open it is inspect all the fan blades. Make sure that not a single blade is cracked. That scared me for a second on camera. That looked like one of the blades. It's not. As you can see, it's pretty much perfect. I mean, it is perfect, not pretty much perfect. It is. And give it the old spin test. It spins perfect. The bearing in the fan is perfect. Just it's good. It's gonna hopefully work. And as you can see by the connector has a little bit of damage, but it is in fact the same connector in the M3. So let's go test it. So it turns out I actually was wrong. The connectors are slightly different, as you can see. What I did find out is that the inside of this and the inside of that are identical. So there's 3 screws here, here, and here. You get under there, pry with this, open her up, and then swap them. And that should do it. I mean, the insides are literally identical on both. There's my old fan. Obviously not good. The new fan, perfect. And so swap the caps, good to go. Here's what it looks like all swapped in, brand new. Spins nice. Not gonna have issues like this. This was already cracked. It just cracked more while I was taking it out, but you get the point. I can't believe that actually worked. Let me flip the camera around, but this is awesome. So quiet, so much different, so smooth. There you go. She's spinning really nice. Oh yeah. Oh, is it slowing down? Yeah, all right. I guess it doesn't always. Oh, all right. Oh, she's on now. This is what happens after dealing with the fan. Here's the other one. Pretty wild. Extra check. I got the AC on full blast, which typically kicks the fan on. The temperature is exactly where it always runs. And now let's just go outside. Oh my God, it's so quiet. It is so quiet. It's unreal. At least for this engine, it's quiet. These engines they make a lot of noise, but oh my God, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I did forget that at the bottom of the fan housing, the coolant hoses clip in. I just got to push those back in, but this is a job done. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It helps the channel. I look ridiculous with these stupid glasses. The wind just closed my hood. All right, with that said, peace. Back to the lobby. Oh, fuck.